welcome back guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna reviewing the broker Cotex, which I personally use. So we will be doing an honest review for the 2025, whether is it useful or is it worth it to use this broker or not. And believe me, end of the video, you will realize that whether is it worth it to use this broker or is it not worth it. So watch the video till the end, because in the end, I have something special for you guys. So without wasting any time further, let's get started. All right, so here I am on my screen. I have opened the Cotex broker. You can find the link for this broker is in the description. Click the link and head over to it. So when we land on the website page, on the about first page, and you can see that there are some options right here, the beautiful interface, which we can see in front of you all. So first we have option of the demo account, the about us option, FAQ and blog option. We will review it in a second. First, let's go through downwards here. You can see some features of the platform that we regularly improve our platform to make your trading comfortable and safe. Okay. So first you can see its user-friendly interface, as I would like to give it a point, because as personal user of this broker since a long time, that I'd found it pretty useful UI. Like it's very, very simple. Okay. So you can see integrated signals with 87% accuracy. You can also get indicators. All the useful indicators are on this broker. You can find the support for 24/7, the bonus program for tournaments, giveaways, traders, bonuses, etc. You can also find fast deposits and withdrawal. When we scroll down a little bit more, we get two options for try demo or register an account. And you can see grow your capital by making the right trading predictions. As all the brokers, you can see select an asset, monitor the chart, place the trade and get the results. And the most important section, which is what people say about us. Okay, so you can see multiple reviews. If I click this view all reviews right here, you can find the reviews about this broker right here. You can see a person, the username here, when they have registered on the broker and how much they have earned. You can see this user Zane has given this broker a 5-star review and earned $134. And this user has earned 256 with 5 reviews, 5-star. And this one has earned $1,041. This is the registered date. It's not long back ago. And this one has earned 913. So this far you can see the reviews basically for the broker listed on this section. You can read it if you wanted. And further, if you go down, you can find a mobile app for this broker as well. Like some users found like a pretty, you can say hectic, or you can say very hard to use the desktop side. So this broker supports a, you can say mobile app as well. Okay. And here you can find in the frequently asked questions. If you have some questions, let me show you that how to trade, how long does it take to withdraw the funds, what platform does, and what's the minimum deposit, and that kind of questions you have, you can find it on the FAQ section. Pretty much the front page is pretty much simple. And after, you can see here, you can click it on the about section. You can read what about the Cotex broker, what is it and what does it do. You can find it right here. You can see all the options right here, all the important details, what people says about this broker and everything. You can find it on the about section. Okay. And if you click FAQ, you can find multiple FAQ questions related to financial questions, general questions, and you can see registration and verification, everything you can find it on the FAQ section. And if I click the blog right here, this is the most important section as a professional trader or as a newbie. If someone wants to start trading on this broker, this is the most important section. If you click strategy button right here, you can see multiple strategies listed on the broker itself. Now, this thing is something new. Why am I saying that? Because you can find multiple strategies for new strategy. You can see volatility based, range trading, the oscillator, the ROC, the rate of change, the trending strategies, what is USDT, USDC, and each and everything you can find it on this website listed itself. And if I click the inside option, you can see that some terms or some, you can say, what do I say, that when does Cotex return your investment? How do pending trade works? Advanced version of the FAQ, I said, it's listed on the insights update. Here you can scroll down and check what kind of questions you have. You can find it in the insights option. And if I click on update, you can see the update for the what the Cotex is giving us the latest updates. You can see it listed on this update section, okay? And QX Academy finally, where you can see is it possible to take out a loan on the platform, or what is hedging, and does Cotex have an email address to support? That kind of question you can find it on QX Academy, okay? So pretty much everything is listed on right here. And if I click the demo option right here, you can see we will be on the demo account, okay? Now here I am on the demo phase. I have clicked the demo option and I have landed on this website, okay? Now this is the trading interface. Now it's pretty simple. Why am I saying that? Because I have been using this broker since a long time and personally found it pretty useful, okay? If I click the plus icon, I can see all the currencies pairs, crypto right here, commodities right here, stocks right here, okay? And much more simple, here is the drawing tools on the pencil icon right here. And below it, you can select the chart timings. And below it, you can select whether you want to trade on candlesticks, bars, Heikin-Ashi, or area candles, okay? And below that, you can find all the indicators for trend indicators, oscillators, and many more. All the indicators are in the one section, okay? Now further, on the right-hand side, you can see your trade expiration time window right here. And here you can adjust your investment, whether I want to invest 200, 2000, whatever, okay? And here is a section for the trades you have made it in the past. And here you will see your current open orders again. And here is the call option and the put option. Simple. Now, if I click on the three lines right here, you can find the support section right here. If I click it, you can find the FAQs tutorial, or if you want to create a support ticket, if you want to connect with an agent, you can connect it right here. And if I click it again, you can find your personal account. If I click it, you can see details right here. If I click the tournament, we will discuss about the tournaments like in the next video, but let me give you an overview. It's a kind of tournament where you pay a entry fees, or some of them are very free like this one. And you competed, the top one gets the prize, the second, third. Here you can see prizes for first place, second, and third. You can find the FAQs for tournaments as well, okay? And if I click the three lines again, here I click on the market, you can see multiple options like risk-free, get $3 bonus, enter promo code, like that stuff, deposit, withdrawal, everything, transactions, trades, everything, okay? Now, if I click more, you can find the analytics option right here of your account, how much you have invested, what you can say asset or pair, stock, cryptocurrency, anything you have traded that far. And if I click the more option again, and I click on the top section, you can find the traders with the top balances right here. Here you can see this trader. I don't know what's its name, Zeno DZ Trader, okay? So he have made 16 profitable trades. Average profit is $2,000. Maximum trade amount is $3,000. And trade profits are more than $30,000, okay? Now, if I click the more option and click on the signals, now this is a good part, okay? You will get in-app signals. Now, we do not encourage that you should put the trades from based on these signals. These are only used for educational purposes. Like you can judge it, you can analyze them and judge, make an analysis based on your analysis, and you can take the trades on that. So pretty much it's very, very simple, the interface. And if I click the icon of the settings right here, I can change the modes for full night, twilight, or light mode. You can adjust the time zones, your language, everything right here. And pretty much if you want to make the full screen, you can make it as well right here. So this was a pretty basic and step-by-step breakdown of Cotex platform. Now, the good part, whether I found it useful or I want to give you an honest review on that broker, now it's time for that. Now let me give you an honest review. Okay, so I found this broker pretty useful because since I have been using this broker since a long time. Now, if you see it, that there are pretty much great options listed on this broker, okay? Like, as you can say, top signals, insights, strategies, and indicators, withdrawal fast, UI very clean and user-friendly, but there are still some room left for, you can say, appreciation or changes in the platform, which can be like AI-based trading. These platforms can, and you can say, interpret or embed AI trading with them. And I found it pretty useful and to be up to date with the modern era, that these brokers can also embed AI trading with them. And other sides, I found it everything pretty good because I have hands-on experience of this broker, so I can say it's pretty useful. The UI is very clean and you can find much more options for all the modern things on the broker itself. You do not have to take something from outside or inside. Everything is present on the broker. Now, I would like to give you a good thing in the end of the video. Now, what is it? If you head over to the description, you will find a link for this website called bcoin.net. Now, why am I suggesting this website? Because I personally use it. Because you will find accurate forecast for daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Now you can find 3 biggest markets: crypto, forex, and stocks as well. If I click on the forex, you can see the dashboard showing me the major currencies to the smallest currencies for tomorrow prices, forecast, and their forecasts are pretty accurate. So head over to the description, click the link, and if you are having issues finding the broker, just head over to this website, bcoin.net, head over to the section of the brokers, click on it, and here you can see you can click the link for Cotex directly right here, land on the website of the broker, and you can register and enjoy 30% bonus if you click on the link right here and head over to the broker. You can find the minimum deposit is just $10. The lowest trade size is $1 only. Clean UI, fast execution, and as I've told you, signals in app are for free. So also keep in mind, we do offer affiliate links, but you will not gonna pay anything extra. So I hope you guys have liked this video because I have break down each and every part and the option of this broker and my hands-on experience as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until the next time, happy trading.